Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of the migration add-on. In this video, I'm going to show you how to migrate customers and their loyalty points from points and rewards legacy plugin into WP Loyalty. So let's get started. All you have to do is purchase the migration add-on and activate it on your site. After you've done that, you'll be able to initiate the migration instantly without any hassle. So let's just go to WordPress dashboard and then go to the loyalty points and rewards legacy plugin. And then here you can see that I have almost 497 records with me, and I'm going to just import them into WP Loyalty. Let's see how. To do this, all you have to do is go to WP Loyalty, and then from the dashboard, go to add-ons tab that you can see here. Now you can see that the migration add-on is activated and installed successfully. Now let's click on the open button and you'll be able to see the main menu. Here comes the important notice. Before you begin the migration process here, it's important for you to remember all these key points. Number one is to ensure a smooth migration. Please remember to stop earning or redeeming points in your old point system or program. Regardless of whatever plugin you use for points and rewards, it's important for you to stop earning or redeeming points because this will prevent any discrepancies in your points balance during the migration. Please note that does not mean you will have to deactivate or delete your old system, but only you will have to stop earning or redeeming points. Number two, by default, the batch limit is set to 50. However, you have the option to reduce this limit in your settings. Why this 50 is because with a batch limit of 50, approximately 50 customers can be migrated in just 5 minutes. That's a whopping 600 customers per hour or 14,400 customers per day. So you see 50 makes sense here. That's why we have set it to 50. However, you can edit this according to your requirements. And point 3, once a migration job has been initiated, it cannot be stopped or interrupted. Therefore, we kindly ask that you double check all configurations before proceeding with migration. I'm sure if you follow these 3 key points, your migration process is going to be a breeze. And here you have 2 tabs. The first one is action and settings. Like I mentioned in the earlier video, it's important for you to configure your settings before you proceed with migration. So let's go to the settings tab and see what we have. We have 2 options here. The first one is batch limit and the second is pagination limit. Batch limit refers to number of data that you can migrate at a time. Alright, so if you set 10 here, it means the migration will take place in batches and each batch will contain 10 records. So you can alter your batch limit using the drop down below and you can do it up to 50, which is the maximum limit. So let's try setting this to 30 and then comes pagination limit. This is to display the number of records you have per page and this goes up to 100. Great. So let's just leave it to 10 as of now and then save the settings. It's very important for you to configure this because if you come back and change this during the migration process, it won't take effect. So please remember to configure your settings just before you initiate migration and then go to Actions tab. Now let's proceed with the migration process. To do this, now let's proceed with the migration process. You can see that the main menu highlights plugins that are active and the rest of the plugin that is inactive is blurred out and non-clickable. So let's go to WooCommerce Loyalty Points and Rewards, which is the legacy plugin from which we're going to initiate migration. So let's just click on this migrate button and then you'll be able to see 2 options which are pretty important for your migration, which are major decision making elements. So the first thing is to add or skip points to existing customers while migrate. So you have 2 options here. One is to skip customer and the other one is add points to customer. This is to skip your existing customers during migration. Let's say customer A is already into WP Loyalty. So if you choose skip customer here, they won't be coming in again. That's the first option. Neither the points will be added to them. And the second option we have is add points to customer, meaning they'll also come in and points will be added in case you need it. So this is the option here. I'm going to set it to add points to customer, meaning I want them to be involved or migrated into WP loyalty. And then comes add or skip points to banned customers while migrate. You can choose to skip banned customers or allow banned customers using the options from here. Right now, I'm going to go to skip banned customers and click on the migrate button. Now you can notice that the migration job is created successfully. To track the migration, you can click on view details and you'll be able to notice the activity details here, starting with date created, processed item, status, update points, and update banned user. You can also see the action details here. Right now, it's no activities because the status is still pending. You will soon see the status progress from pending to processing and then completed. So let's take a while and see what happens next. Now you can see that the status has changed from pending to processing and it'll soon be completed.